My baby hairs are swimming, girl. Like a little bit too much. Girl, they're diving.
Listen long enough, you can love me.
Hey y'all, welcome to a spend the day with me while I get myself together. This is a vulnerable moment for me because I like to come on camera looking together, or at least like moderately together. The past few days, mama's been looking a mess. And every single time my hair is on camera, the girls is like, oh my God, oh my God. I try and keep my hair together all the time. Hence wigs, clip-ins. We'll be doing clip-ins today. We'll be doing press on nails, and we'll be getting these toes together. It's a beauty maintenance day. And for me, I don't trust nobody to do my services. No ma'am, no ma'am. And I saw people getting their feet ate off by bacteria. I say, girl, I'm not doing this. I'm gonna do my toes on my own. We have our $30 clip-ins from Amazon, lashes, and press on nails and toenails. Nails are BT Art Box. Lashes are Amazon. I can't even pronounce this. I don't even know what this is pronounced as. So we're gonna start by washing our hair because, girl, it's a mess. Why am I out of breath? Maybe it's because I'm nervous. So once I get this hair together, y'all ain't gonna have nothing to say about me and my edges. Please, please, with the slander. Let's go ahead and get started and let's get into this hair. Look at my little itty bitty hair. So glad. Try and keep my hair damp for the next step. I don't have a microfiber towel. I'm okay with just doing a t-shirt. Girl, with this little bit of hair, you think you would use a microfiber towel? Why would I do that? Why would I do that? I use a couple things to nourish my hair and protect my hair from heat. One of the first products that I love to use is the Growth RX Ultra Rich Strand Conditioning and Nourishing Formula. I like to use this as a leave-in conditioner before blow drying. I just brush through the hair, but I only use a very little bit because I don't want too much product in my hair. And this is from the brand Curl Pharmacy. Love Curl Pharmacy. Go ahead and look them up. They also have like a hair growth line as well. So, but I only use like a little bit because I got a little bit of hair. So I only will use like a little bit, rub it in, and then I add it to the ends. And I definitely add it to my edges because that area is dry, girl. It's dry. It smells so good too. It's like a fresh, ooh, like spa scent. Ooh, my light went out. Don't worry about it, girl. And then next I go in with my Ceremonia Guava Rescue Spray, and I just spray a little bit all over the hair, especially in the areas that I'm gonna be using heat. I'm just gonna comb through and distribute the product. Oh, it feels so good on the scalp. Girl. I'm gonna let my hair air dry for a little bit while I go eat, and then we're gonna blow dry the hair with my Revlon one-step blow dryer to get the hair straight. Hair is blow dried. It don't look, you know what I'm saying? It's real thin, see-through. My hair been like this, girl. What we gonna do about it? Add some clip-ins. These Amazon clip-ins are kinky straight Amazon clip-ins that were like $34. And I mixed in, what's the name of the other clip-ins? Amazing Beauty Hair Yaki straight clip-ins, like a couple clip-ins, like 3 or 4 clip-ins from them. But this is a full head, it's like a sew-in. And I usually apply them so they last a few days. Give my hair a break. I don't know if I'm breaking my hair off or giving my hair a break. Either way, I'm not walking around like this. I think I'm gonna do like a side middle part, just like a little bit to the side, just so I can give my middle part a break. So I kind of switch sides. So I think I'll do one right here. And then I'm just gonna braid my hair down and clip this hair in. And it's gonna be a quick braid down, girl. This is not like a real cornrow braid down. I'm gonna do one braid on each side. And then I think I'm gonna add a little bit of Murray's to my hair. spout has already puffed up. My middle part is heat trained. This side part is not. This is my favorite texture balm. This is actually my husband's, but we need to find some more. I think they done sold out. So I take a little bit, put it in the palm of my hand. Oh, that's not enough. Lay it down. I'm not gonna do my baby hairs until I finish my lashes because I'm gonna rewash my face. My forehead looks so big. What is going on? So we're gonna go ahead and do our lashes. We're gonna do some lash removal using my favorite lash remover, the Velux lash remover. You can use this or another lash remover, but this one's my favorite, Velux lash remover. And we're gonna put on our Amazon lashes. The goal is a natural lash look. I don't like dramatic lashes. I like short 8-inch lashes, like very tiny. Like they have to be the size of my lashes, period. So we're gonna go ahead and do our lashes. These are Amazon lashes that I got from Amazon. Really quick lashes. They should take about 5 minutes. But if you are a short lash girl, 8-inch lashes are those girls. Okay, let's go ahead and get started on the eyes. Look at my eyebrows. I actually had to draw them in because after I pluck my brows, you can't see them at all. I'm gonna use the Falscara Studio like glue and this whole kit. Let's get started. The next day, I did not finish my beauty routine. It took too long. And by the time it got to be nighttime, all I could do was my hair and my lashes. But we about to work down and do the toes, and that's it. I slept overnight in my clip-ins just to show y'all. I do be sleeping in these clip-ins, okay? Let's see what it looks like. I had just a little scarf situation. Girl, my baby hairs are swimming, girl. Like a little bit too much. Girl, they're diving. Yeah, my pajamas are from Nordstrom, obviously. The same brand, Honeydew. Girl, I bought one in every color and 2 in gray. Girl, I love these. It's so comfortable and soft. I think I have 2 more colors to buy. So what we're looking like with the hair. Waking up, girl. I like to do my toes first because it's hard to do your toes with your nails done. So we're gonna start on our toes, do our nails. Girl, and if you see a corn on my toes, listen, okay? We all got bunions and corns, girl. I had 37 years of life and 30 of them I was wearing the wrong size shoe. Let's go ahead and get into the toes and
gas me. How we end up in the backseat, just trying to get to the bag. We on the same page, you the same way. Only keep the fam around me, so let me know what it's gonna be. I don't plan on getting no sleep while we doing our thing, moving too fast. Candy paint with the windows all black, seats creme brulee. What they gon' say? With the top down, screaming money, anything. We up till 6 in the morning. When the sunrise, we'll be on it. Boy, I got 5, we run so live. Tell me when to go, baby, when we gon' slide. Baby, when we gon' slide. Hey. Up all night, baby, when we gon' slide. Oh, hey, hey, baby, when we gon' slide, slide.
Girl, we finally finished doing everything. I see why people hire people, okay? Because this is a lot, but I'm not gonna sacrifice my foot. My hair is done, my brows are done, my lashes are done, my nails are done, and my toes are done. I'm complete. This nail though, I made it too small. Girl, it looks a mess, but it's whatever, it'll fall off and I'll replace it. Y'all let me know what your maintenance routine is like. Please let me know down below. Hopefully you enjoyed this maintenance routine. I will leave links for everything down below as well. So I love you all. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.